Write as a single fraction in simplest form 2z to the power of 8 all over 5 divided by z divided by 7z to the third power all over 10. And so that's what we have. We have these two fractions that we have to divide. And in order to divide these two fractions, we're going to use this acronym, which is KSF, right? KSF. Now, KSF, the K stands for keep. So we keep this particular fraction. We leave it unchanged, so we don't change it. We keep it. Then we switch. The S is for switch. We switch this division sign into a multiplication sign. And then we flip. We take this numerator and we put it at the bottom, and we take the denominator and we put it at the top. So KSF, keep, switch, flip. And so that's what we'll do. Okay, so we keep this particular fraction unchanged, right? 2 to the power of, so we have 2 times z to the power of 8 all over 5. We take this division sign and we switch it to a multiplication sign, and the denominator is on top, which is 10, and 7z to the third power is at the bottom, in which case it was previously on top. Okay, so next what we do here is we multiply. We say 2 times z to the 8th power multiplied by 10. That's going to be 20z to the power of 8, because 2 times 10 is 20. And we have 5 times 7. Well, 5 times 7 is 35. Do not forget the z to the power of 3, so we put the z to the power of 3 here. Next, we can simplify these two. Terms, because there's a number that can go into both 20 and 35 without leaving a remainder, and that number is 5. So we have 20 divided by 5, and 20 divided by 5 is 4. And we have 35 divided by 5, and 35 divided by 5 is 7. So we have 4 z to the power of 8 divided by 7 z to the power of 3. Notice that we have these two terms. They have the same base, which is z. And whenever we have two terms that have the same base and we're dividing those two terms, we have to subtract the powers. And so in this case, we're going to say, okay, z to the power of 8 minus 3, because we have to subtract the powers. So what is 8 minus 3? Well, 8 minus 3 is 5. So we have 4 over 7 multiplied by z to the power of 5. And that's the answer to this particular question.